Hello students, today we will be discuss about teacher as a researcher. Teacher as a researcher, a concept found within the school-based philosophy Reggio Emilia explores the idea that we as teachers play a crucial role in understanding our students and designing meaningful learning experiences that reflect their needs and interest. The teacher's role within Reggio Emilia approach is to be first and foremost a learner alongside the children. The teacher researcher can be characterized as those practitioners who attempt to better understand their practice and its impact on their students by researching the relationship between teaching and learning in their world of work. There has been a growing recognition in the international education community of the powerful role of teachers as researchers. The potential for understanding the complexity of the school community as an effective learning environment is increased when teachers have the skill and opportunities and take the role of researcher when their school community. There is a growing recognition among the teacher education for the need to provide teachers with the collaborative framework and research skills for anchoring research within their classroom practices. Challenge choosing the right methodology. The growing expectation for the professional role of teacher to incorporate the role of reflective practitioner is not easily accommodated by all practicing classroom teachers. The role of teacher researcher is not only intellectually demanding, but it also prompts serious and often difficult questions about classroom practice and learning outcomes. The role of teacher researcher is not only intellectually demanding but also prompts serious and often difficult questions about classroom practice and learning outcomes. The complexity of the school and classrooms environment can act as a barrier to opportunities for teachers to play the double role of teacher and researcher. At their workplace, teachers face challenges concerned with time constraints, relationship within school communities, accountability systems pressure as well as lack of confidence and experiences in the area of research. Several teachers did not consider that they have expendable time to take part in research with all the added responsibilities involved in their role of teaching. Teachers view the research process like recording the lesson, analysis of data, and interviewing students as simply not feasible to accomplish alongside the daily teaching role. Another hurdle in breaking down the barriers between territory researchers and classroom teachers are the difficulties in the dissemination of university research findings related to school practice. It is found that teachers do not read academic research articles related to their professional concern because they find the language used as too scientific and distanced from the real classroom situations. Certain teachers, particularly the beginning teachers, are not confident enough to engage in debates on issues within the classroom. They further argue that these types of research are not real research, just observation or keeping journals. The teachers' reluctance to acknowledge classroom inquiry and research may well stem from the notions of research gained in their degree programs. The teacher will not easily develop a practical notion of classroom school based research of context. And examples offered in preservation training are limited to a formal style of research and projects that involve both school or district. Benefits. There has been a qualitative shift in the nation of the classroom teacher, evidenced to in expectations of the dynamic new role of teacher as reflective practitioner and collaborative member of an educational community of inquiry. There has been a growing demand for the need to empower teachers through researching their own practice. The teachers to become more aware of the complexities of the school environment and of the teacher research being the self-reflection of one's own professional practice. With their teaching skills, the teachers and share and critique their practice became key professionals in the change process within school communities. Moreover, the beginning teachers with the skills to engage from the beginning of their careers in action research or classroom inquiry. They have the skills to be both consumers and producers of knowledge and the tools to make sense of their practice and problems they face. Collaboration is the key factor in triggering effective teacher participation is doing research on their own practices in order to inform about school improvement. The critical role of reflective inquiry is to help teachers to work collaboratively. The opportunity involves teachers in a process that moves from reflecting experience to descriptions, analysis, and finally action. Structured and collaborative reflection are the key factors teacher initiate changes of school practice as reflective processes. It acts as a vehicle of opening teachers' eyes to a range of perspectives on students' learning, offering insights into school and classroom practices and opportunities for local action. Teachers who engaged in research are considered to have an increased understanding of the complexities of the school community and learning environment. The reflective practice inflict in any action research projects undertaken by the teachers promote self and practice awareness with the potential to enhance effective practice through a deeper understanding of themselves as teachers and learners. The action research causes the teachers to look at their teaching in a more analytical, focused, and in-depth way. This is a habit that many claim they have now internalized and made use of subsequent to their participations in the teaching program. The most appropriate place to begin the development of teacher researchers in order to achieve the desired outcome is the service course. A course structure that provides opportunities for the students to develop practical research skills in a classroom context. Provide a framework for service teachers to develop skills and process necessary for reflective inquiry. Would to optimize the development of teacher researcher able to take an active research role in their school community. Okay, thank you for watching.